Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, aka Frizzpop, and today I'm coming to you with a mini twist tutorial slash hairstyles. Because at the end, once my hair is finished, I'm also going to show you guys different ways to style your mini twist, because mini twists can be really boring and really bland, so I never really wear them down. I just don't personally like the way they look. So I'm going to show you guys how to style them up, make them look cuter. We're under quarantine, there's no need for your hair to be out. Make sure you just watch the last video about how to grow your natural hair, because while we're on quarantine, this is the perfect time to be growing your hair, stretching it out, doing whatever you want, trying new styles, learning how to braid. This is when you do it. Enough rambling, on with the video. Okay, so I've done one twist, then I'll show you guys like a little fast motion clip of me doing another one, and then I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, because this is honestly going to take me a long
periodically time,
I'm just gonna come back when I finish, because I feel like you guys should have gotten it by now, because it's just twists. They're just little mini twists or whatever, and I'm just repeating this over all of my head. Basically, each of these is probably gonna be either like 4 or 6 twists. It sounds like a lot, but honestly, because I'm not gonna do my hair for pretty much the rest of this month, it's worth it to me, and it's honestly gonna help my hair chill. So I'm gonna come back probably tomorrow and show you guys what it looks like once I'm finished.
yeah, get into
As you
it.
can see, hair is a little shrunken up, hair is very compact, and yeah, that's why I decided to do another half of this video to show you styles to do with mini twists, because personally I don't like to wear my hair like this. I don't think it's cute, I don't think it's that great, so I usually do a little couple of styles to help me feel a little cuter. Also, yeah, like, mini twists do nothing for me. I'm just a shrinkage girl in a shrinkage world. Bars. Anyway, let me stop talking because I'm doing too much. Anyways, let's go. those were my hairstyles to help spice up your mini twists. And also, as you see now, I have these hair clips in my hair just in case you still feel like the styles aren't giving you enough flair. You can use those hair clips. I have me like a lot depending on like what outfit I want to wear. Moving on, and you can also put in these little hair clips. They're really cute. Spice it up, do whatever you want. Yeah, there's so much stuff you can do with mini twists. If you have any more questions down below, make sure to ask them. And if you have any other questions about maintenance for mini twists, definitely comment that below as well, and I can do a nightly video and show you how I refresh them as well. I hope this video was very informational for you guys, and if you do flat twist and you style them, send me a picture on Instagram. You know, go follow me on Instagram. Definitely chat it up on there. Anyways, I love you guys, and I will be posting Mondays and Saturdays now, so look out for those videos as well, and I hope you have a great week.